This is Tom with Pure Water Power, and I'm going to be going over a little bit on our new addition to the Little Beast water purification system line. This is our single RO 4-stage 115 volt pump purification Little Beast. It has the same 4 main filter configurations that the whole entire Little Beast line has in our tap pressure and 12 volt lines. So we have your incoming sediment and carbon filter, then it goes to your RO membrane, and then to your DI and out to your water fed pole. So on this system, it's very simple. You have your water line in here from your spigot, runs through the entire system, runs out to your water fed pole. You can add accessories like hose reels that bolt onto this system that we can wire in line or hose in line right off your DI. So instead of hooking up your water fed pole here, it will come straight out your hose reel. So there's a lot of options with this. But I kind of want to go over just what this cart does on the electric side. So it's equipped with a 1/2 horse motor and then a 5 gallon a minute Vane pump. And that is the power source for this system. So this system can be used in tap pressure mode, meaning no pump, and you can still operate a single pole up to 50 feet. When you want more pressure, you want to run more multiple poles, or run bigger devices such as solar brushes, or something that requires a lot more water out of the brush. You can use the pump and give you that capability. So great system for cleaning windows, up to 3 users, run multiple solar panel brushes off of this thing. So it's a great system to accommodate all of your window cleaning and solar panel cleaning needs. Now this system is equipped right here with the wheel kit. We sell these as skids for guys that want to bolt them in, or we have dolly kits that can go on them as you see here. So it's a regular, these are sporty flat free tires. We have an upper assembly so that when you are trying to load this up by yourself on a truck or a van, you just lay it down on the bed with these wheels, come back to the other side, pick it up, and roll it right into the vehicle. So it's very user friendly for maneuverability out in the field. So anyway, I want to go over a couple components on this this new addition here, this 110 or 115 volt system. So we have the pump assembly here. We have our remote operating control box. So this is we get these boxes custom made. They're high quality. This box will outlive your lifetime. It's that durable. So we have an on and off switch at the box, and then we have a remote control that you can turn it on and off up to 500 feet away. So it's very good for when you want to use the pump for multiple applications like pre-cleaning very dirty solar panels. You might want the pump on, or maybe running at tap pressure for the rinse, and it gives you that capability to do it from the rooftops or wherever you're doing your cleaning. So in case you lose this remote, you can always operate it manually at the box, so you're not going to be without work. So one thing about this I want to emphasize on is when you're using this system, you want to hook up the water source first, let it run through the system, get some discharge coming out. At that time, then you can turn the pump on. You do not want to operate this dry, and you want to make sure it's flowing through the system before turning the pump on. So once it's flowing through, you can turn the pump on. You have your line out to your water fed pole. Do not shut the valve off at your water fed pole with the pump on. You want to make sure you turn the pump off first, and then go ahead and shut your valve off of your water supply. So it's very important. You can't damage the pump. These pumps are equipped with a bypass line, but that's only going to save you so much time before something goes wrong with overheating. So make sure you do not turn the supply off to the water fed pole while the pump is on. So on this pump you have a pressure gauge, and it'll tell you your pressure with the pump off. It'll tell you what your pressure is coming in from the source, minus about 15% because of the discharge. But this right here has a unloader type adjustment valve, so you can adjust your water flow coming through the pump as it's running. So you can adjust this knob, less pressure, less water, and increase it to go the other way. You do not want to go over 125 psi. You want to keep it at 125 or below. But anyway, it gives you the ability to adjust the flow, so you don't want to overkill your job with too much water, and then still get the job done. So it'll allow you to manipulate that a little bit and prolong the DI life of your filter. Other than that, it's an awesome system. Can be used upright or lying down, transported upright or laying down. With this system, we include 50 feet of 3/8 inch ID2 hose to go from your out to the water fed pole. Do not use this as an inlet to from the spigot to the system, because you can decrease your flow and maybe it won't perform as much as it should. We recommend 1/2 inch or 5/8 or even 3/4. But anyway, and then you get your wrench kit. So these are the wrenches to change out your filters, and you get an owner's manual with directions, filter life changes, and expected lifespans of the filters. But great system. We will have a dual RO out shortly that you can upgrade this to. If you wanted to add a second RO, you can do so, just like the rest of our little beast line. But anyway, awesome system, plugs right into an outlet and you're ready to go. Purchase this from Pure Water Power, any distributor of Pure Water Power. Thank you and have a great day.